Hi, I just wanted to talk to you very briefly about the Tommy Robinson demonstration in London on the 26th, which is Saturday week, where we're trying to get as many people to counter-demonstrate as possible. This counter-demonstration has been called by Stand Up to Racism, the TUC, the UCU, and many other unions and public groups. It's a particularly dangerous time, I think, because we've got fascism marching across Europe, we've got Reform in the leadership, gaining huge amounts of votes, and we've got a situation whereas at the moment Reform refuse to talk to proper fascists like Tommy Robinson, but that could change, I think, if we don't get numbers of people mobilising and opposing him on the streets. He's expecting 20,000 plus of his supporters in London on Saturday the 26th, and we are absolutely adamant that we're gonna try and get more than that. More importantly, it's really good that the trade union movement has fallen in behind this. I think there's a real danger that, we have in the past stopped street fascism in our streets, whether it was with opposition to Mosley in Mile End in 1936, whether it was the Anti-Nazi League and the mass demonstrations in the 70s, beating the BNP and the EDL through mass turnouts. We've got to do that again. And I think it's more important than previously because of the dangers that are arising through Reform and through organisations which are openly fascist, like the AfD in Germany. We have to show that we're not going to put up with that there are more of us than them, and that we will protest against them so they don't feel they've got control of the streets. It's really awful for a lot of people when the riots happen and the mass protests by them in the summer. The fact that they tried to kill asylum seekers by burning their hotels, absolutely shocking that pogroms were taking place on the streets of our towns and cities. And people are afraid. People I know are still afraid to go out on their own. They're afraid to talk to people. They only go out in groups, and we can't let them have the streets. So there are coaches going down from Stand Up to Racism from Merseyside. As a trade union, we can get our tickets for £10. It's a long day, but it's something that I think is worth all of us standing up to. So please book your tickets. Please contact us for more information, and let's stop him and his fascists in their tracks.